What's going on YouTube? It's your boy and it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing, what to do next, right? A lot of people come in this industry have zero clue. They heard about affiliate marketing. They sign up for a program. They sign up for Amazon, ClickBank, all this kind of stuff. And then what to do next, right? So in this video, I'm going to lay it down and I'm going to explain it to you as simple as possible. So that way, when you leave this video, you're going to be more knowledgeable than when you first start watching this video. All right. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Welcome to the family. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, and make sure you give this video some love. All right. And share it with someone who you think is going to benefit from it. Also, what I'd like to know as well is where are you watching this video from? So let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Excited to get you guys going. And the reason why I wanted to share this with you, because affiliate marketing, what to do next. I've been online. I'm crushing it online. I'm doing well in affiliate marketing. So I want to share it with as many people out there because I know this will benefit a lot of people. And there's not too many videos out there that will go into details and dive in and explain to you how it works. All right. So the very first thing, I know when you sign up for the affiliate programs, or you go online and you're excited, you're ready to go, you grab your link. Most people, and I've done this too, so I'm not saying that I did not do it. You grab your link, you go out there, and they tell you, okay, go on social media, go on Instagram. You need to copy and paste and then do this. So now what you did, you just go copy, you paste your link, and you start to posting it all over the place. And all you got to do, you sit around and you say, okay, what's next? You probably get a lead, right? You probably get a sale here and there, but you don't know what the core ingredients of affiliate marketing is, right? Because it's more than that. And I'm going to jump into things right away. So the very first thing you want to do, right? And here's where many people go wrong. They're trying to skip the struggle, right? Most people go out there and before they even learn how to acquire a customer, right, through traffic source, such as like Google, Bing, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, you name it, Instagram, Quora, Reddit. There's so many different platforms that you can go and you can start to get people. Remember, everybody's using these platforms now, right? There's not many people are using the newspaper and all that kind of stuff. So that's why huge companies are using these platforms to leverage them. Now, here's the deal, right? This is where most people get caught up. Most people always find out and say, well, let me go start with one of these, right? And then they probably have some success. They probably don't have success. They're getting a lot of hits. They're getting leads. They're not sure exactly, okay, what to do next, right? So the next thing they do, one, they either quit or they just say, well, I can't handle it. Now, let me tell you that affiliate marketing, what to do, it's going to require you some time. So here's my take to you, right? And I'm going to give you my strategy. So let me just backtrack a little bit to when I was brand new. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I did, right? Now, this may work for some people, and it probably don't work for some people. That's how it is, right? So what I did when I just started, I went out and I start to search the internet for people that are in the same niche that I'm in. So let's say you want to start an Amazon affiliate, right? I would go and I would search for people who are crushing it in Amazon. Let's say you have someone who's going on eBay, right? ClickBank, Legendary, Marketer, right? There's so many different places that has affiliate. Max Bounty, right? They have CPC Offer, Peerfly, right? JVZoo, tons and tons of different places. Now, I would go and follow 10 people. That's what I did. I follow those people. I make sure I turn on their notification. I look and see exactly what it is that they're doing, how they're posting, what type of content they're putting out there. So what I did, I look and say, all right, I listen what this person has to say. I listen what that person has to say. Then I create my own little content, right? Put it in my context, and then I create one of these social media platform. And then I start to put out content. And when people say put out content, content meaning that, okay, if you read something about Facebook and you learn something that you probably think that everybody in the world knows it, but believe it or not, not everybody knows it, because there's so many people coming inside a affiliate marketing, or let's say online industry, that you can share it with them, right? So people are going to like you for you. So all you got to do is what you learn, put it out there. Most people keep all their information and then they get information overload, right? So what you learn, put it out there. Take it, put it out there. Don't be afraid to share it, right? Don't be so stingy. If you learn something, you're not going to share it. Share it with the world, right? Because at the end of the day, the cake is big for everybody, right? And I've seen it. Too many people are holding back stuff. So that's why I created this channel, so I could deliver some value to you and hope you guys make some sense. All right. So yeah, start a YouTube channel. If you don't want to make videos, that's absolutely okay, right? Create videos behind the screen. Start a Twitter account. Start Facebook. Now, I don't want you to go out there and start everything that's here. You don't need to do that. Pick one method, run with it, and then scale it as you go along. All right. So that was traffic. Now, the next thing is you want to have a sales funnel. Now, for many people that don't have a lot of money, it's okay, right? You can use the companies, you can use Amazon, you can use ClickBank, right? Legendary Marketer, whatever it is that you want to use. Pick one sales funnel that you're already probably paying for, or you're going to get it for free. It's okay, because you can get some sales funnel for free. Now, many people are going to say, well, everybody's using the same sales funnel. No, most of you guys are not putting enough traffic in that sales funnel, because it does work and it converts. So whatever it is that you think you want to promote, if you put it in front of the right people, people will buy it. People will come inside of your business. Just like how many iPhones are there? There's a ton of iPhones, right? And there's a million stores that are selling it. But guess what? People are going to go out there and go get it, right? So it's a little bit different here. You have to go and find the people that is looking. There's people online with their credit card, hold it in their hands, ready to buy whatever it is that you're trying to sell. So all you have to do is just put it in front of people. So once you drive that traffic, you're going to drive that traffic to what we call a landing page, right? So the landing page, when you collect the email, right, you're going to send them to a thank you page. And thank you page has like a little video, all that kind of stuff would say thank you, or maybe it's a page itself that says thank you. You can put a picture on it. You don't have to put a picture on it, but you can create that, right? And then you send them to the offer. This is if you want to spend a little bit of money to get things done. It's okay. You don't have to worry about it. Bada bing, bada boom, boom, and you go in. And that's how you make the money right there at the end, right? Now, here's where many people losing customers, especially people on Amazon and eBay and all that kind of stuff. I'm not saying that, because here's the thing. You don't control the traffic on Amazon or eBay. Those are huge networks, right? You are using their networks. I'm not saying people are not crushing it out there, but if you have that customer, you would have that customer for life. And that's where many people lose customers. So that's why I highly recommend, if you're doing Amazon, or if you're doing, eBay or any platform there is, right? Always have a backup plan, such as like a YouTube channel, an Instagram, Facebook, right? A blog where you can collect all those emails and start building and growing your list. You can double and triple the money that you're making, because guess what? Not everybody who goes on that site of Amazon buy immediately. What if you can email that specific person and say, hey, by the way, we have some great deals coming up. Why do you think Macy's email you? when you go and buy stuff from Macy's? Why do you think all these huge corporations keep emailing you? If you buy an airline, if you buy a plane ticket, they're going to email you and say, hey, there's 50% off over and over again. That's why our emails are filled with so many emails, right? So that's a great way how to grow and scale your business. So that's what it is. You always want to email your customers after you create that sales funnel and you capture their information. That's how it is. That's why people say you do a follow-up, right? So the next thing you want to have is a value ladder system. Now, I don't know if this is on Amazon, eBay, and all that kind of stuff, but there's companies out there that have a value ladder system. And what a value ladder system is basically you have a free offer, right? It could be anywhere from like a free offer or a paid offer where you pay anywhere from like $7 to $17, right? And then while they continue to learn more about the company, just like an Apple, you have the Apple Watch, you have the iPhone, you have all that kind of stuff. That's exactly how it is, right? Is a value ladder system. Now, they have multiple products such as like, right, you have, what can I use as an example, right? You go to a restaurant, the waiter is going to ask you, hey, would you like something to drink, right? Anything from the bar? That's what it is. They're not saying, hey, would you like a glass of water or something? Would you like something to drink? It's the same thing. Hey, would you like to get a free ebook or free video that explain to you how to set up this phone, right? And then somebody's like, oh yeah, I'll check it out. And I need to know how to set it up. Then when you go on the phone, then there's something else to offer. Hey, by the way, I can give you, music or whatever it is or something else, and it's going to cost you anywhere from like 27 to 47. All right, I'll take that. Well, by the way, I can give you the tablet with this phone if you want to check it out. Oh yeah, why not? Boom, boom. So that's how it is. You have to have a value ladder system. That's how you see large companies and huge corporations do so well, is because they have this system, right? And that's what you got to do. You have the system for you to crush it. And after the value ladder system, of course, that's it, right? You have to have these three things in place. So you need traffic, you need a sales funnel, a great value ladder system, and always, always just provide value to your loyal customers and put them out there. And that's how you scale. So I know many people sign up for affiliate marketing, what to do next. So that's how I explain to you what to do next. And if you guys want to check out, what and how I learn and how you want to grow and scale a successful online business, hey, feel free to check out the link down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I will reply to them as soon as I get to them. All right. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy, Andre. Have a great day. Peace.